The corner stiffener macro located under the detailing menu is also extremely useful in steel detailing. All we need to do is click on the icon and select two surfaces. So let's select this surface over here, which is the inside of the web of the column, and the top of the stiffener. And immediately a stiffener is created at that point. Instead of going through the normal hassle of creating all the points, we now have a stiffener in a few simple clicks. And if we were to select the stiffener, press M and enter, we can modify the properties of the stiffener as we want. We can make it taller, shorter, move in any direction, and these parameters will allow us to work as we want. Now we can use it for more common situations like this one over here. For example, I can just select this one, press this surface, select the top surface of the beam, and my corner stiffener is created. I can go inside with an M enter, go to my macro presets, select from one of my previously saved presets, and my corner stiffener is immediately created. I can even use the same command on these inclined surfaces over here, for example. So I have over here a stiffener and a beam. I'm going to try to use the inner surface of the web of the beam and the top of the inclined stiffener to create my corner stiffener. So let's just do that. Let's select this inner web and the top of the stiffener. And immediately I have a stiffener which comes out, which is touching both surfaces. Once again, I can press M enter, go to my presets, load any suitable default, and I have my stiffener exactly the way I want it to. I can apply this setting so that further usages will do the same thing again and again. Let me go back to the same command, select the bottom surface this time, and I've got these complicated stiffeners ready in a few seconds. These commands really help you create these typical plates which are very common in steel structures. And instead of using the points and creating all those points every single time, you can use them to create these corner stiffeners extremely easily.